What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or accept a collaborator on a Facebook page quickly and easily. First, open Facebook and go to your Facebook page. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open Meta Business Suite and click on Create Reel. Upload your video or select the content you want to post. After that, you can add music, a title, description, and any relevant tags if needed. Once you've finished setting up your reel, scroll down until you find the collaboration option. Click on it and enter the name of the Facebook page or creator you want to collaborate with. Select the correct page from the list. After adding your collaborator, click Next, review your reel, and then click Submit or Publish. The collaboration invite will be sent to the selected page or creator. Once they accept the invitation, the reel will be shared as a collaborative post. And that's it. That's how to add or accept a collaborator on a Facebook page. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!